Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate monthly loan payment using payment or PMT function. So let's get right into it. Here, I have a spreadsheet for a loan amount of $30,000 at a 5% annual interest rate over a period of 5 years. Before we jump onto the PMT function, let's quickly calculate total number of monthly payments. Since our loan term is 5 years and each year has got 12 months, we will type in equals, select cell B7, multiply by 12. So that gives us 60 as total number of monthly payments. Now to calculate monthly loan payment, we will type in equals PMT open round bracket, and as you can see, Excel is asking us to put rate, which is our annual interest rate. So I will select cell B6 and divide it by 12 because interest given here is annual and we are calculating monthly payments. Then put a comma. Next, for NPR, number of periods or the total number of payments. We just calculated this in cell B8. Let's select B8 and put a comma. Then for PV, which means present value or the loan amount, we have in cell B5. So we will select that. And then there are two optional arguments you can put in if you like, but I will just stop here and close the round bracket and hit enter. And we have our monthly payment amount nearly $566. You would have noticed it is showing as a negative number. That's because payments are considered as an outflow of cash. If you want to get rid of the negative value, simply double click on the cell and put minus before PMT and hit enter. Now let's say our loan details change. Amount changes to $35,000 and annual interest rate changes to 4%. As you can see, monthly payment cell automatically recalculates to reflect the new figures. So go ahead and play around with the numbers to suit your scenario and let Excel handle the math. And that's it. That's how you calculate the monthly loan payment in Excel using PMT function. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Catch you in the next video. Take care.